Here is a place claimed for the purpose of living, fashioned to engender love, fortified to protect its inhabitant and to withstand the spectres of trouble. Claimed for living, for love in trouble. We want to live in ways that are fulfilling. We want to live for love. We want to live knowing trouble may come. We want to live in ways where we can make claim on a particular space, even if it's only the shade of a tree. For a moment in history, it's ours, and no one's going to move us. A billboard is a site for public address, right? As much as Billboard just sells advertising 99.9% of the time, when it's actually communicating something else, it's wonderful because, tens of thousands of people will see it. One of the groups that I envision will see it are the students at Dash. This is the place I was there as a teenager that introduced me to art, to design, to architecture, to a particular poetic in which I feel I can participate in shaping the world. Making culture more public is vital for any neighborhood or any place, and that is a sort of natural role that we play as artists.
There's a tie between being claimed for a living and claiming that your lives matter.
Yes, yes.
Just a simple statement that your life matters. You're claiming your life.
Actually, it's two different statements. There's an immediacy in one for the sort of a day-to-day, and there's a sort of a political and organizing framing of the other.
Right.
You're demanding someone recognize you and your life and what you have and who you are and who you've become, right? That's the demand here. Black Lives Matter is a demand of recognition of this life, we matter. Whereas the former, claim for living, we only do that because we need to. We need to badly. We need to become better, we need to read, we need to grow. That is how life is lived in a fulfilled manner, outside of the structure of politics. If the political and state structure that we have, if it already took care of Black life, it's like we wouldn't need to march.
I want to ask how your work is connected to the goals of the Four Freedoms organization?
The public address that the Billboard offers is aligned with their larger mission. Citizens are encouraged to stand. Citizens are encouraged to make the claim that they can make as citizens. And I wanted to make a work with the specificity of Miami, both larger greater Miami and that site specifically.
That's great.
How do you express subjectivity and individuality while living socially? Well, it may be by claiming corners and facets of spaces versus claiming spaces or claiming continents or claiming mountaintops and blah, blah, blah. No, it's the claiming of corners and facets is more native to the way I work. There's a sort of reversion to the periphery and making the periphery act upon the center.